Okay, so we found the problem here. There's our problem. That's why heat is escaping. So we are going to go ahead and wrap that and get this fixed. So here's our problem. When this moved, let's see if I can get some light on it. See that? The duct came off. So we're going to have to snip it and then get it back on. This is probably the main reason why our gas bill has been so high. All right, we're going to get this fixed. Oh my. Oh boy. Let's see if you can help me get this insulation back. Let's be back on there. And then what we need to do, Matt, is get that sucker on there, but I don't know how we're going to do this because I don't have any leverage. I have no way of pulling this thing taut. So in order, we need to get this guy, we need to get this ring all the way up here, and the only way to do that is to pull this. So maybe what you can do is put down the light and just put the light on there and see if you can hold that in. Okay. No. Hold this. You're gonna hold that taut. I'm gonna slide that in. Yeah, so we need to get all the rings around it, not just one. All right, so here, what I need you to do, I'm gonna move that thing forward. Yeah. We need this one. We need the second ring right here. Not, Matt, look, see this? That ring needs to be up here. So I'm gonna take this thing and I'm gonna shove it your way. And you're gonna pull it up. That's what you can't do. These rings have got to stay around the middle. Okay, get those rings around the middle. You do whatever it takes to make that happen, all right? Got it? You got it? Okay. What's the hold on? Hang on. Hold on. This ring here. Why are you being such a dick? There we go. I'm going to shove this fucker forward. Okay, and I need you to get that on there. Get that vinyl on, nice and tight. Okay. You got the vinyl on? I don't care about the silver shit. So matter of fact, here, stop. Here, you know what? Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna cut this out of the way. Alright. I don't give a shit about any of that. I need that black vinyl on this piece right here. Okay? So what I'm gonna do, shove this in here, and you're going to get that on. Hold the insulation back if you have to. Yeah. And get that vinyl piece on as tight as you can. Don't worry about the light. Or do you want to shove this and you want me to do the vinyl? All right, let's do that. Oh. All right, so this is the piece that we have to. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, start it over there, so I know I'm on. No, but buddy, you gotta come way more towards me. Hang on. First off, let's get all this shit out of the way. Come on, you dirty bird. There we go. Okay, push it more towards me. Keep coming. You gotta go. Okay, that should be good. Let me put the zip tie on. All right, whatever you do, man, do not move, okay? Okay, now I'm going to duct tape it, and then we'll wrap the insulation back on it. Okay, lift it up. More. Forward. Okay, now we got to put that piece of insulation. Okay, grab that piece. You grab the light. You hold the light. Okay, get this thing up and out of the way. All right, now what we're gonna do is lift. The only thing I want you worried about right now is that top piece. I'll get all this, okay? Where's my knife? That's in my pocket. That's one. All right, now we got to put another piece in. Oh, this one's a little bit more tricky. Okay. Now this guy. All right, can you All right. Okay, so we just kicked the blower back on, and the joint here that separates, so these are the two ducts, sorry, these are the two ducts here that go down to the master bedroom. And that's why it was warm over here, is that the joint actually separated. So we had to reset it. Let me see if I can scroll out a little bit. We had to reset it, put a new zip tie in, put a new zip tie in over the insulation, duct taped it, then put new insulation on, duct all that in. So now I don't feel any air leaks at all. And you can hear the fan blower just kicked on. Should be able to see the flame in there. Yeah, there it is. All right. So, oh man, if I only would have known. But anyway, so that's that.